Remember those good old days when your workshop was a disorganised and cluttered space? How did you ever get anything done? Oh wait, you still work like that? What if there was a different way, a better way? The Big Doug way. Big Doug has everything you need to make your workshop a dream workshop. Time to upgrade to Big Doug Trade Plus, the workshop collection that works for you. From solid workbenches to colour-coordinated storage cabinets, shelving, tool storage and even flooring, it all matches, it all fits, and is built to withstand the demands of a busy workshop. Your workshop can become an efficient, well-oiled machine, which will make you an efficient, well-oiled machine. Don't make do, make it Big Doug. To browse our huge workshop range, head to bigdoug.co.uk.